Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haziq bin Ahmad, metric number J18B0073. This is a video assignment for EWE 4283, which is pengeringan and pengawitan kayu. Today I would like to share about wood preservation. What is wood preservation? Wood preservation is defined as a set of products, methods, and technique designed to alter the durability of wood, which can divide into three, which is indirect preservation, biological preservation, and chemical preservation. For indirect preservation, the treatment of the environment in which the wood is being used. And for biological preservation, it involves the use of living organisms to preserve the attack of xylophagous organism. Xylophagous organism is organism that can attack the wood. Third is chemical preservation. Chemical preservation is the introduction of chemical product within or into the wood structure. It is aiming to make it toxic to the organism that use the wood as a food source. Wood preservation involves the pressure or thermal impregnation of chemical into the wood. The process results in long-term resistance to attack by fungi, bacteria, insects, and marine borer. Next, I will share about the current situation on wood preservative technique. For all of the wood preservative process in current use can be placed under one of the following categories, which is non-pressure, diffusion, sap replacement, or pressure and vacuum impregnation. The choice of wood preservative and application method depends upon many factors, each of which should be considered from the technological and economic viewpoint. Third, boron compounds offer the most effective chemical wood preservative system that available today. It's combining the broad spectrum properties of effectiveness against bacteria, fungi, and insects with low toxicity in mammals. Next, I will share about disadvantages of conventional wood preservative. And this point I will focus only for the chemical preservation. First is creosote. Creosote has disadvantages because it has exudation problem. It also cannot be used in application requiring finishing. Next is CCA. CCA stands for chrome plate copper arsenate. This compound has disadvantages because it has high toxicity due to the presence of arsenic and chromium. It also has disadvantages because this is environmental restriction. Third is CCB. CCB stands for chrome plate copper borate. This chemical has a disadvantages because it have a greater leaching and it has toxicity due to the presence of chromium. And lastly, boron compound. Boron compound also has disadvantages because it is highly leachable. Lastly is environmentally friendly technology for future wood preservation plant or wood preservative industry. Environmentally friendly wood preservative system can be developed with a proper combination of an organic biocide with a metal chelating or antioxidant additive. Second is policy and legislative measure to ban the use of toxic preservation. And growing the awareness on using a less toxic and more environmentally friendly preservative would be another ways to reduce the environmental impact. So I think that's all for the sharing, and thank you for listening.